everything felt heavy. Kailangan kong mag-cut off ng best friend. Yung tipong someone I love so deeply, platonically, na I thought would be in my life forever. Pero minsan pala, kahit mahal mo, you have to let them go. Not because you stopped loving them, but because you finally started loving yourself. Tumaan ako sa point na hindi na ako makahinga emotionally. I was in spaces, situations, and relationships that no longer supported who I was becoming. And I had to make a choice, either my peace or stay in chaos. So I left. Tahimik lang. No dramatic exits. Just quiet, intentional distance. Hindi madali. Minsan kasi, ang pinakamahirap parang paalam ay yung hindi dahil sa galit. Pero dahil mahal mo sila at alam mong hindi na kayo aligned. Hindi na kayo nasa parehong wavelength. And to love someone enough to say, alam mo, I'll let you go kasi mas mag-grow ka sa ibang direction kahit hindi na tayo magkasama. That's a different kind of love. It's selfless, it's painful, but it's real. Around the same time, I was still healing from a deep betrayal. A friend back home, someone I trust with my whole heart, scammed me. I handed her a huge amount of money for something she promised, and I never got it. She only returned the money after I spoke up, and I wish it didn't come to that. But I've learned that you don't own silence to someone who hurt you. Meanwhile, the clips in this video were taken during a goodbye for a friend, someone I still hold dear. She was headed home to the Philippines for her modeling career. But we've grown so much since then, and I'm grateful that she's still in my life. We both evolve in our own ways. But that other goodbye, that silent, final one, was with someone I had to fully let go. Not out of hate, but because I refused to make space for betrayal in a heart that's learning how to love again, especially myself. Ang daming lessons sa taon na yun. I learned that some friendships don't end in explosions. Sometimes they just fade in quiet decisions made in silence. Wala nang closure, wala nang confrontation, just peace. Bit-bit ko pa rin yung memories, the laughs, the safe moments, the trust. But I don't carry the pain anymore. Pinakawalan ko na. And in letting go, I made space for better friendships, for stillness, for new beginnings I never thought I deserved.
Hello po, tita.
Minsan kasi, bago may dumating na bago, kailangan mo munang magbigay espasyo. Kailangan mong pakawalan ang hindi na para sa'yo. Kahit mahirap, kahit masakit. And now, I'm learning how to live slowly. To enjoy silence again. To fall in love with my mornings, my solitude, and my routine. I no longer chase people. I no longer overextend. I no longer sit in disrespect. I simply exist. And if people come, they come. And if they stay, beautiful. And if they leave, then I understand. Kasi natutunan ko na ang tunay na pagmamahal, hindi lang nagpapakita sa pagkapit sa mga bagay-bagay na alam mong hindi na okay para sa'yo. Minsan, letting go lang ang solusyon para hindi na kayo magkasakitan pa. Letting go so they can grow. Letting go kasi mahal mo sila. At alam mong sa pagbitaw mo, mas lalaki yung mundo nila kahit hindi ka nakasama. And that's the kind of goodbye I had to make. Hindi selfish, hindi bitter, just necessary. So if you're in a season like mine where you're grieving friendships, questioning your choices, or slowly rebuilding your peace, please know you're not alone. You're not weak for choosing peace.
Oh my God.
You are so brave for walking away from what no longer feels like home. Life doesn't always give us the closure we want, but it will always offer us the healing we need if we're willing to slow down and listen. So here's to slow healing, the quiet strength, the goodbyes that are rooted in love. Here's to us, the ones who let go. Not because we didn't care, but because we cared so much, we set them free.
Go, Mexico.
And maybe, just maybe, in doing that, we set ourselves free too.
Uy, ba't di iiyak mo din? Uy, hindi kami nagtatrabaho dito dati. Ba't kayo iiyak? Bye! Bye-bye! Uy, hindi na ako ang mga mata ko. Patay ng mata. Bye-bye! Wala nang lilimon. Where's our beauty kids? Oh, bye-bye! Oh, mga mata check. Nauna niyo po. Bye-bye po. Ingat po.
Kasi 2 minutes nandito na kami.
Diyan lang niyo po. Yeah. Lapit lang eh.
Ay, nga palang Skytrain.
Yeah. Yes. Kaya dito na po kami. Sabay-sabay na. Yes. Labas kami dito, tita. Tapos, diretso na sa may train. Oh my God. Soon tayo din. Mag-ano tayo? Ano, budgie ba talaga tayo? Bye-bye po. Dito tayo, di ba? Ito ba? Ah, sige. Alright. Sa ate ko parang naliligaw. Parang nawawala na. Parang ang nawawala, be.